where the rice bowls shine. Lives a big old fella on the food supply line. A belly like a barrel waddling along, but when it's time to chase, he's quick and strong. He's a hog dog, yeehaw! Fast as the wind, though he's round his ma's jar. He's a hog dog, yeehaw! Rolling like thunder from near to far. Snout in the kitchen, tail in the air. Looks like a hog, but there's a dog in there. Folks start laughing when he trots on by, but that hog dog's running with fire in his eye. He's a hog dog, yeehaw! Barrels like a hog, but he sure can spar. He's a hog dog, yeehaw! The temple's own legend, our big old star. So if you're ever wandering by that shrine and see a hog on four legs looking mighty fine, tip your hat, don't blink too long. That hog dog's gone with a banjo song. He's a hog dog, yeehaw!